the largest lodging operators in the Philippines. I'm pleased to share today some of the initiatives that we're doing here in the Philippines. As mentioned by Don earlier, we're actually fortunate to be part of Capital Land, and we're one of the hospitality group that has a robust framework in terms of sustainability, and which allows us to actually lead the way amongst the hospitality players here in the Philippines. In fact, to kick off our activity for the year, we have actually partnered with Worldwide Fund. So we basically launched a collaboration to preserve some of the indigenous species here in the Philippines. So if you go in the lobby of all our properties here in the Philippines, you would see some cute stuff toy. So it's actually to increase awareness in terms of saving some of the indigenous species such as the tamaraw, the pawikan, and the cheer. And we also did a tree planting activity in Mount Balusong with Haribon Foundation. We're able to plant more than 1,250 seedlings across an hectare of land in the Kaliwa Forest Reserve in Tanay Rizal. This is actually contributing to the reforestation efforts in that region. We've been partnering with Gawad Kalinga as well for the past 8 years. We're helping them build homes and developing an entire community in Bawat, Batangas. Recently, as part of our sustaining activity there, we actually constructed a food shed as part of their community resilience program, providing additional livelihood and opportunities to GK Eco Village in the community. We are very proud as well to be amongst the first hospitality group globally to obtain a GSTC committed status. This year, the Ascot Limited achieved a group-wide Global Sustainable Tourism Council certification, which actually makes a milestone as the first in Ascot globally and one of the first hospitality operators in the Philippines to earn this prestigious recognition. And this is something that we're very proud, as highlighted earlier. There's a lot of greenwashing element happening, particularly in the hospitality industry. And we're quite fortunate to have the framework to be able to share what we have. And one thing that we're proud of is that we are not just practicing this in 1 to 2 of our properties. We were able to replicate this. At the moment, we have 17 operating properties. And we were able to replicate all the sustainability initiatives across all our properties. Ascot, at the moment, we're in a position to double our existing portfolio from 17 to 32 properties in the next 5 years. So even some of our design elements, as highlighted earlier, very important that we incorporate for our existing properties, we incorporate green CapEx initiatives so that we are able to contribute to reducing our carbon emission. At the same time, for those new developments, we have consider as part of our key design requirements, for example, solar panels for building into resorts as well. So it's important that we have that technology in place as well. So in closing, we stand shoulder to shoulder with PCCP and our fellow stakeholders in the Race to Zero campaign, and we look forward to collaborating and look forward to accelerating the race to net zero. Thank you very much, and it's great to have all of you here in Ascot Bonifacio Global City, Manila. Thank you.